Hi everyone, welcome to Kelly Likes Crypto YouTube channel. I'm your host, and you guessed it, my name is Kelly, and I love crypto. If you also love crypto, please smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel to get your daily dose of crypto news and reviews. Before we go any further, let's quickly say I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take anything I say as financial advice. Everything on this channel is strictly for entertainment and educational purposes. Okay, guys? All right, let's dive in and let's look at the charts for Enjin coin. I'm sure you guys already know I'm very bullish on Enjin coin, but that being said, you should still, look at the charts, and there's always a case for a coin going up and a case for coin going down. So let's look at the short term. Long term, I think Enjin's going to the moon, and I believe Enjin could survive survive and thrive during maybe even crypto winter, right? If you don't know what crypto winter is, the cryptocurrency markets, they go through kind of bull runs and like a bull cycle, then a bear cycle, a bull cycle, and the bear cycle, kind of every it's on like a 4-year rotation. And during the crypto winter, which is generally the first year right after the last year of the bull run, coins usually depreciate quite a bit. This time around, a lot of people are talking that maybe it's going to be a little bit different. Enjin has a lot of utility, and I think the NFT space is gonna be huge. All right, so let's look at the chart. I have the 2-hour chart up, and I have no indicators, just the EMA 200, and I use Heiken-Ashi candles, and I just have it zoomed out a little bit. But right now, today, I'm filming this. I guess it's about 3 in the afternoon, but I'm ahead of you guys. I'm in Thailand, so you'll be probably seeing this in the morning of May 3rd. So right now, it's 271. The whole market is going up because Ethereum is having a great day, and if Bitcoin's having a pretty good day. Ethereum right now is at 3162, and Bitcoin's at 58 and a half. And I probably expect that to be a lot higher by the time you watch this video. So overall, everyone's happy. It's a bull market. Everyone's happy today. Monday, new start of a new month and start of a new CME futures contract. So I think that's kind of the sign that Bitcoin's going to probably push higher in the next 2 weeks. And hopefully it pulls Enjin coin with it. So Enjin coin right now, it has, I got 2 yellow lines on the screen. The bottom diagonal line there is kind of its bull market trend line for all the way back to March 2020. And so we were way below it for quite a while. And then finally we burst above it. And then, so our first spot is 280. Back in March, we challenged 280. Were rejected. We came down and actually fell all the way. The 200 EMA kind of supported us a bit more here. But then we finally lost it for just a smidgen of time. It bounced off our long-term trend line here. And then it moonshot, right? It moonshot to like $4. And then, that's parabolic. It did that in 2-3 days. It just went straight up. So it doubled. And so people are going to take profits no matter what. It doesn't matter what the coin is, people are going to take profits. So once it kind of tops out, the pro traders, they generally will take their profits on the back end of a trade, on the backside. Us retail newbie traders, we always jump early, maybe, and then we rebuy in higher, and then we sell. Lots of times newbie traders, they always play it wrong. Pros like to buy it when it dips, when it's at its worst, and sell it at its best. And that is a really hard habit to get into, and trust me, I'm just starting to master it now, and I've been trading for 30 years, so don't feel bad. I understand. After something moons, you got to expect it to come down. Now 280 turns into the resistance. We bounce off it. We also bounce off the EMA 200 here. You see it bounces off again, and then it gets pulled down. Now our long-term bull trend line is trying to be resistance, and then everything fell through. This is an inverse head and shoulders. I had it in the other videos. It's not the greatest shoulder on this side, but that's probably good news for us. It's better to have a small shoulder on this side. So let's zoom in. So where we're at right now is the EMA 200 has been support, but we've been bouncing off 280. So you got to remember, everybody, so all this volume down here, all that volume that bought up here, all this volume, all the people that bought from April 8th to April 18th, 10 days of trading, all these people right now, they're in the negative. All right. They're red. So a lot of them are going to sell the second they're break even. This is just human nature. This is just what's going to happen. Even if it looks like it's like mooning to someone else who might be looking at the coin for the very first time and might be saying, oh, wow, look, it's about to break out. For all the people that bought up here, they got tunnel vision, and they're looking at the coin and they're just saying, hey, when it gets up to my price, whatever their price may be, they're going to sell. So that's why 280 is a really, really strong resistance right now. Excuse me. I'll be a lot more confident in the short term of Enjin as soon as it gets above 280 and retests it and continues forth. I don't really care about this long-term trend line. That's more of just a trend line that shows us, hey, we're going up. So the 280 is the most important trend line in this picture, and we really need to break through it, maybe back test it, and then and just hold tight, because probably the next, I'd probably say 2 weeks, maybe even 4 weeks, you're gonna get. I think we're gonna grind sideways. I think hopefully I'd like to see us grind sideways on the north side of 280. I would feel a lot more happy. I don't like watching a coin kind of grind sideways and lose value. I'd rather grind sideways and kind of gain a little bit of value. But yeah, that's what I'm at. That's what I'm thinking. It's not financial advice. I think if you got strong hands, you should just be strong and hold on. I know a lot of people FOMO'd in up here, and yeah, these things happen, and you're just gonna have to take it as a learning lesson. Let's quickly dive out to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour and the EMA 200, this is my preferred method to buy into coins. So now obviously this is not going to work too good for Enjin, because Enjin literally was below the 200 here. It touched here, which qualifies as a buy. Okay, when you're in a bull run, this is only when you're in a bull run. So we know Enjin's going up. Look at it's going up. You would have had to have waited all the way, which would have been fine. If you had bought, that'd be great. But you wouldn't really want to buy in. You can be guessing, or just you're going to hold it anyways, or your dollar cost averaging in on the way up. That's fine. The next time would have been perfect to buy it is this dip right here, obviously. And then look where we're at now. You could have bought in here. It would have been a little scary. You would have been in the red for a few days, but it was just a few days. And already we are above, on the 4-hour, we're already above the EMA 200. So this is 4 hours, my favorite chart to look at. So this is pretty positive. So we're just going to grind. I think we're going to grind sideways. The 280 is going to be a wall. It's going to be a wall. And I think we're going to grind sideways. Maybe there's some good news, or maybe it just gets pulled up, but probably going to grind sideways for a few weeks. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button. Let me know in the comments what you think. What do you think my assessment is? how well do you think I got it? I think I got the head and shoulders on the last video pretty good. So I think we're grinding sideways 280 ish, probably for a few weeks. All right, guys, thanks. Take care.